Well, hello, welcome back to the channel. Unless you are new, then welcome. If you guys watching my videos before at least for a while, then you might know about myself. If you are not, so for you, this is Ridoy, and I'm making videos with the purpose of my English speaking practice. And actually, I'm not that good at English, so that's why speaking my English practice every day, at least for 5 or 10 minutes. So today in this video I'm gonna talking about the importance of having practice English speaking every day. Actually, there's nothing is possible in our life to accomplish or achieve if we are not practice or doing the things that we wanted to do or wanted to accomplish. And actually it's always been tough for us to accomplish or achieve something special in our life without practice and working every day. The things that happen to us, especially for language learner, it's not only for English but also what language you wanted to learn. You must have to practice every single day, because as a non-native English speaker we have to practice our English every single day, because we are not used to the pronunciation of the English words. We just used Bengali in our daily life to complete our everyday task and for everything. So yeah, we have to make sure to practice every single day for having a good exercise with our tongue, our intonation, and improving our pronunciation as well. So I don't know what you think about my pronunciation and my English, but I think um, I realized that my English gradually progressing. It's not progressed yet, it's not improved yet, but it's improving. I'm in improving now, and actually it's just happened for practicing every single day. Um, every single day, and I'm listening a lot and trying to imitate the people how they speak in English, and that's how I just making my English progressed. So actually, don't get me wrong, some people comment in my comment section, in my videos comment section, that I just exaggerate or acting like a native English speaker, and my pronunciation is not like anyone else who are from the Bangladesh. Actually, to be honest with you, at the very beginning time when I started speaking English, in that time, from the very beginning, I'm trying imitating the American people because I love American accents. So I'm trying to imitate them, and I'm trying to embracing the American accent with my intonation. Is why I'm trying to speaking kind of like them. So that's why my pronunciation is it's a little different, but I think it's comprehensible and understandable. If you guys find any kind of errors in my speaking, please let me know with let me know with the comments. I would appreciate it. Yeah, because I get the opportunity to correct myself for salvation, for correction myself. It would be pleasure to me. So this was all about in my video today. So if you like this video, guys, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and keep learning and keep practicing your English every day as I do. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a good night.